We're going to do a jelly bean taste test since it's almost Easter.
All right. But Albert, can you come here and cut these for me? I can't eat them all at one time.
Why?
Because I can't. Cut this one. This is lemon.
Okay. Good. Which one you want next?
Here, this one. I can only gum it.
What's the matter?
Oh, this tastes like... This tastes like skid marks. This one?
You want to test that one?
Yeah. Ugh.
What's the matter?
Ugh. That left a bad taste in my mouth. Oh! Oh! My mouth is burning. What the hell?
Was it lime?
Oh, it was poison. Oh my God. It's like chili peppers are in it. Hot. Try this one. This one is good. It's wiping away that hot burning sensation. This one. Oh. Oh. I don't trust you. I don't know why I always fall into this trap.
What does it taste like?
Like smegma. Not that I know what that tastes like.
What do you want to keep going?
Yeah.
Why?
Just to give you satisfaction that I could withstand it.
Which one you want?
Try this one. What the fuck, Nancy? Really? What? Do you hate me that much?
You could stop anytime.
I can't keep it in my mouth.
Oh my God, my cheeks are...
Oh my God.
Do you want to keep going or are you done?
No, I want to keep going. I won't give you the satisfaction of backing out.
Pick one more.
Okay.
2 left.
I'll take this red one. Oh my God, thank you for a little piece.
What's that one? Cherry?
Oh!
Oh my God. You want to try the last one or are we done?
No, the last one.
Go cut it out.
I'm not giving in to you.
Last one.
Here, Albert. I don't trust her. I don't.
That one's good, right?
No! Oh. Oh, I can't. I just can't.
Okay, turn over the paper, see what you ate.
Lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Blueberry. Yeah, tasted like blueberry. So. I just knew it. I remember when I was a kid, that's what it tasted like. Oh, yeah, I knew it was a booger. I just know it. Earthworm. Oh, my God. Jalapeno, this is what burned me. My mouth was on fire. Oh, vomit, yeah. Oh, it tasted like vomit. Rotten egg. Yeah. Yeah, it tasted like a rotten egg.
You want to do more?
No.